Admiralty Materials Laboratory. The Admiralty Materials Laboratory, located at Holton Heath, is one of the United Kingdom's principal defence research and discovery establishments. In 1978, the Admiralty Materials Laboratory was combined with the Naval Construction Research Establishment to form the Haslar Admiralty Marine Technology Establishment. The Admiralty Materials Laboratory opened in 1947 in part of the Royal Naval Cordite Factory at Holton Heath, Dorset. It was formed round a nucleus of staff from the Factory Control Laboratory. Its work program has consisted of research and some development on materials and chemical techniques for naval service in the fields of metallurgy, rubber and plastics, chemical technology, and general chemicals. For some years it had a marine biological section also. Headquarters direction was provided by the Director of Materials Research until that directorate was abolished. In 1977, the establishment became part of the Admiralty Marine Technology Establishment, then the Admiralty Research Establishment, and in 1991 part of the Defense Research Agency.